Hello, my name is Julie Brooks. I'm the owner of Peaceful Place Home Organizers. What you're looking at are a lot of before and after shots of kitchens that my team of organizers and myself have organized for our clients. You can see that the end result is that we have clear surfaces and everything is visible and accessible. In other words, a place for everything and everything in its place. When we do kitchens, we start off with a pretty extensive assessment. We're asking you who cooks, how often, what kinds of things are you cooking? Do you bake? Do you grill? Do you make school lunches? Do you make your own coffee? All those kinds of questions. So that at the end of the process, we have zones set up to support each activity and the supplies needed for each activity right there, easily at hand. We often will set up a secondary kitchen storage area somewhere else in the house. So at the end of the process, the goal is that it's visually calm and everything is easy to put back and easy to find. So I hope that you will consider getting your kitchen professionally organized. Look at the end results, they speak for themselves.